In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Smartsheet. To start, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and you can see your main workspace. Look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. There, you'll find your profile icon, which might show your initials or a small picture if you've uploaded one. Go ahead and click that profile icon. A small menu will appear with several options related to your account. From this menu, choose the option labeled My Smartsheet Contacts. This is where all of your personal contacts are stored and managed inside Smartsheet. Once the My Smartsheet Contacts window opens, you'll see a list of any contacts you've already added, or it may be empty if you're just getting started. At the top of this window, look for the Import Contacts button. Click that button to begin bringing in contacts from another source. After you click Import Contacts, Smartsheet will ask you to choose where you want to import your contacts from. Here, you'll see options like Outlook, Gmail, or a file-based option such as vCard or CSV. Select the source that matches where your contacts are currently stored. For example, if your contacts live in your email account, choose Outlook or Gmail. If you've exported your contacts from another system, you may have a CSV or vCard file on your computer, and you'll want to select that option instead. Next, you'll be prompted to either connect to your email account or upload a file from your computer, depending on the source you selected. Once the file is uploaded or the connection is made, Smartsheet will display a mapping screen. Here, you'll match the columns from your source to the correct fields in Smartsheet. At a minimum, make sure the name field is correctly mapped to the contact's name, and the email address field is mapped to the email column from your source. Taking a moment to confirm these mappings prevents issues later when you try to share sheets or assign tasks. When everything looks correct, click the Import button. Smartsheet will then process the information and add those contacts to your personal contact list. After the import completes, you can immediately start using these contacts to share sheets, assign tasks, and collaborate more efficiently across any sheet in your account.